Hello, I'm Andrew. Today I'll be talking about PICO's Caméléon tool system and how to use it. For a link to our product page, please see the video description below. If you're new here, I'd like to share PICO's most popular and new products with you. To be notified of future videos, please click to subscribe below. Let me start by discussing what it's made of. PICO's Caméléon tool body consists of a sturdy carbon steel frame, adjustable compression wheel, and rubberized handles for a comfortable grip. The built-in safety release allows the tool to release mid-crimp if required. The Caméléon crimper adapts perfectly with any PICO Caméléon die. The easy change technology allows the dies to be changed rapidly without the need of any other tool. The Caméléon dies use a single crimp system. Accurate dimensions ensure precise crimps that meet or exceed standards. These dies can be used with any of PICO's Caméléon tools. No extra tools are required to change them. PICO's Caméléon tools offer many solutions. The crimper eliminates the problem of over-crimping connectors. The ratchet action and quick release ensure that crimps are secure and uniform. The PICO Caméléon dies have accurate dimensions that ensure precise crimps that meet or exceed standards. These dies can be used with any of PICO's Caméléon tools. No extra tools are required to change dies. Hello, welcome to the demonstration for the Caméléon tool system. We'll be looking at the 415-31A die for insulated connectors. For this demonstration, we'll require the die, the 8.7-inch Caméléon tool, which is the 401-31. We'll require a stripper, which is the 455-11. We'll also require some 14-gauge wire, insulated quick connectors, and a rear license plate light. For those following along at home, please remember to have some gloves and safety glasses, and also remember that we are working with electricity here. So make sure that you're disconnected from the source. Let's get this started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is grab our Caméléon tool and insert the die, the 415-31 A die for insulated connectors. Slipped right in like that, and now we're ready to crimp. We're going to grab our wire that we're going to be working with, grab our stripping tool, and strip off 10 millimeters, or 1 centimeter. We're then going to insert our quick connector, grab our crimping tool, crimp the connector, and perfect crimped. Now let's plug everything in. So we've got our license plate light. There we go, plugged in. Let's hook it up to some power. Got the positive here and the negative. And that's how you crimp a insulated connector with the 415-31 die on the Caméléon tool system. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Remember, the link to our product page can be found in the video description below. The largest market segment coverage of top quality products is now at your fingertips. Connect with PICO today.